Welcome to this tutorial on adding code snippets to your WordPress site. In this guide, we will walk you through each step in a clear and detailed manner so that you can enhance your website with custom code without any hassle. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the site loads, locate the login option, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this option will allow you to access your account quickly and securely. After selecting the login button, you will notice an option to continue with Google. By choosing this method, you save time while keeping your account secure. When you click on continue with Google, you will be prompted to select one of your Google accounts. This simple process not only speeds up logging in, but also minimizes the need to remember additional passwords. Make sure to sign in with the account that has the necessary permissions to manage your WordPress site. After successfully signing in, direct your attention to the quick links section on your dashboard. Within this area, you will see an option labeled Edit Site. This link takes you directly to the site editor environment where you can modify the design and functionality of your website. This is the launching point for adding your custom code snippets. Once in the editor, find the three dots icon. This icon is located on the top right corner of the interface and marks a set of additional options for site management. Clicking on the three dots opens additional functionalities that are essential for reaching deeper parts of the editor settings. Although the interface might be slightly different depending on your WordPress theme, the three dots are typically prominent and easy to identify. Following this step, you will need to navigate to the code editor option. Clicking on the code editor will switch the interface from a visual mode to one that displays the underlying code. This change is vital because it gives you direct access to the HTML, CSS, and other elements that form the structure of your site. In this mode, you have the freedom to manually add a new code snippet exactly where you want it in your site's structure. The code editor provides you with a detailed view of your website's underlying code, allowing more control and precision over your customizations. Finally, begin adding your code snippet. You can type or paste your desired code directly into the code editor at the appropriate location. After placing your snippet, it is important to save your work to ensure that the changes take effect on your live site. With careful input and saving your modifications, you are effectively integrating new functionality into your WordPress website. This concludes our detailed tutorial on adding code snippets to your WordPress site. By following each of these steps sequentially, you ensure that your custom code is integrated correctly and your site continues to function without interruption. Enjoy the increased flexibility and personalization that comes from managing and adding your own code snippets directly through WordPress.